We'll start with the first job opening. This is L1, which is the beginner friendly. Okay. And this is in Bangalore. Freshers के लिए 1-2 साल का experience होगा अच्छा है. This is good to go. 1 to 2 years of experience. Profit is the company name. And if you want to apply, then just drop a mail to this ID, menu.a@soffit.com.in. Total years of experience, what you have, current salary, expected salary, and notice period. Whatever you have, accordingly you can choose, right? So let's see if you are getting selected or something. Just let me know in the comment box. Next one is in Impact's Info Solution, which is in Andheri, I guess. And they're looking for Global Service Desk GST, and total 40 positions are there. So if you're looking for कि भाई जॉब मिल जाए, बस कुछ भी जॉब मिल जाए, then you can do this thing. This is Navi Mumbai, Mahape and Andheri. Andheri में VIH office भी है, so it's nearby something, I guess. Any graduates diploma anyone can do. 2 से 8 साल experience हो, salary 6 to 7, but depend on interview. Notice period 15 दिन. Face to face. This is the contact number, mail ID. If you want to join or something, just drop a mail and ask, call them, and accordingly you can get something. Next is on site SOC analyst again, which is the contract basis. So duration is 1 year. Okay, 15 से 30 दिन का notice period चाहिए. It's in Dubai. Okay, nationality of Dubai is important. Basics tool of SOC, SIM, Splunk, QRadar, TCP, IP, DNS, HTTP, all those things is required. Computer security plus CH is preferable. And this is mail ID. You can drop your mail here actually. Next opening is L1, L2. SOC is L1 is for freshers and L2 is for intermediate peoples, right? So 1 से 3 साल experience, it freshers can apply as well. 1 साल का internship कर रखा, then you can do. SOC work is there. ठीक है. SIEM tools is something that you should have knowledge of. ठीक है. Accordingly you can apply. This is mail ID. talha.im@financesquare.com. Accordingly you can apply, right? So there's a lot of companies, those who are looking for SOC people, join accordingly. Next opening is in Gorakhpur, UP, Yogi ka Sahar, technical support engineer. That's for what they're looking for. Night shift, 5 days a work. So I guess this is a USA shift, okay, where you have to work at night. So check out accordingly. You can do. This is mail ID at the seagate.next.com. Accordingly, just do it from your side. This is contact number, WhatsApp. You can check out, and if you have any query or something, you can ask from them. Next is pen testing lead. This 100% remote job, 70,000 to 80,000 salary, which is in euro, which is good to go, I guess. It's very good salary. Okay, hands-on technical knowledge is required. If you have OSCP, OSEP, OSWP, CITO, CIT, then this is good to go. They are looking for senior pen testers, right? Those who have 1 to 2 years of experience, okay, and they can lead the team and do all those things. So if you're interested, just drop your resume on this mail ID, laurenharvey.com.